Assalamualaikum. We are from Group Tarantula and now we want to present our assignment, which is case of fire caused by electrical problem according to state in Malaysia. Our group assignment have 6 members and we all from L3T3. First member is Nurul Syafiqah binti Zulkifli, number materi AI 8A1015, Siti Nozakira binti Muhammad Nawawi, number materi AI 8A0873, Nur Amira Azwa binti Muhammad Nuri, number materi AI 8B1235, Siti Maimuna binti Mokhtar, number materi AI 9B1129, Nurul Emilia Shahida binti Kamarul Zaman, number matrik AI 9B1094, and Leslie Shakira binti Muhammad Zil, number matrik AI 9B0833. Now we will into to introduction. But first of all, let me introduce myself. My name Shakira binti Muhammad Zain, number matrik AI 9B0833. Let everyone know, fire is one of nation's most prevalent disaster. The data we are going to observe is on the number of fire caused of electrical problem from year 2017 and 2018. The total number of state concerned is 14 and the total sample to be performed is 32. The state has the highest number of fire is different, which is for 2017, among all states in Malaysia, Selangor was the highest with 6,991 cases, second was Johor with 3,610 cases, and third was Perak with 3,579 cases. On the other hand, in 2018, Negeri Sembilan was the highest with 7,345 cases, while Pulau Pinang was second with 4,928 fire case, and at third highest was Melaka with 3,863 case. Objective for the assignment is first, able to organize the data. Second, classify the data by the table. Last, use any acceptable graphical tool. The method we are using is tendency measure from the data collected to define and describe the mean, median, and mode. Some parameter from the measurement attempt to explain the amount of difference between the variable. The parameter used to calculate the variability amount excluding size, variance, and standard deviation.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Emilia Shahida binti Kamarul Zaman, matric ID A19B1094. I will explain about variables. What is the variables of fire incidents? Fire department variables can be divided into two types, which is qualitative variables and also quantitative variables. Qualitative are defined as variables that are classified into groups or categories. Qualitative variables also known as categorical variables in data, since they are not measured in quantity but segregated into groups. Quantitative variables always take on numerical values that reflect some types of measurements. Qualitative variables can be discrete, exact, or analog, continuous. Then, categorical variable. We have three types of categorical variable. First is types of fire. Second is the states involved. Third is types of duty. Types of fire is electricity. Then, the states involved are Johor, Kedah, Kelantan, Melaka, Negeri Sembilan, Pahang, Perak, Perlis, Pulau Pinang, Sabah, Sarawak, Selangor, Terengganu, Wilayah Persekutuan, Wilayah Labuan, and Wilayah Putrajaya. Types of duty, responding to or from fire, fire ground, non-fire emergency, training, and lastly, on duty. Next, we move to the numerical variables. We took 2 years, which is 2017 and 2018. 2017, with the total number of cases as much as 29,356. Meanwhile, 2018, 36,755.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Amira Azwa binti Muhammad Nuri and my matric number is A18B1235. I will explain about the class width. First, To find the value of the class width, we need to find the value of k. To find the value of k, we need to use the formula of 2k is bigger than n. Therefore, our k is 6. Next, to find the value of the class width, we need to use the formula of maximum entry minus minimum entry divided by k. So, 276 minus 4 divided by 6. So, our class width is 46. Our table of distribution for our data. Our total frequency are 32. To find the value of the midpoint, we need to add 4 with 49 and divide by 2. To find the value for the lower boundary, we need to subtract 4 with 0.5, and to find the value for the upper boundary, we need to add 49 with 0.5. For graphical method, this is our histogram graph. Our histogram graph represents the cases of fire caused by electrical problem according to the state in Malaysia. And this is our frequency polygon graph, which represents the cases of fire caused by electrical problem according to state in Malaysia.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Nurul Shabika Zulkifli, metric number of A18A1015, and today I will explain a little bit about the measures of central tendency, which include the measurement of the mean, median, and the mode of the data, and also the measures of variation, which include variance and standard variant. Before that, let's look into details the tabulation of this particular data. We use 2 years worth of data, which is for the year of 2017 and 2018. The sample size of the data is 32. From this table, we can get the summation of f, fx, and fx squared. Let's go deep into it. First of all, mean. The formula to find mean is shown on the slide, which is summation of fx divided by the sample size. Therefore, 3,286 we divided by 32, we get the mean is 102.69, approximately 103 cases. Next thing up is the median. We can get the median by using the formula as stated, which is Lm plus n over 2 minus summation of Fm minus 1 over Fm times C, which is Lm is the lower boundary of the median class, summation of Fm minus 1 is the cumulative frequency before median class, Fm is the frequency of median class, and C is the class size. And by calculation, we get 50 to 95 as the median class. Therefore, the median is 81.7 after being calculated. For the mode of the data, we are going to use the formula as stated, which is Lm plus delta 1 over delta 1 plus delta 2 times C, which is Lm is the lower class boundary of the model class. Delta 1 is the difference between frequency of the model class and the frequency before. Delta 2 is the difference between frequency of the model class and the frequency after. We get the model class by assessing the highest frequency of the data, which is 50 to 95, and by calculation we will get 58.7. For the measures of variation, first of all, range. We get the range by calculating the difference between the maximum entry with the minimum entry, which is 276 minus 4, and we will get the range is 272. Variance is calculated by using the formula as stated, and all of the information needed we can get it in the data and already calculated beforehand. Therefore, variance is 5,503.38. Since variance is denoted by S square, standard variance is going to be the square root of whatever variance is. Therefore, the square root of 5,953.38 is 77.16.
Assalamualaikum. I'm Siti Zakirah binti Muhammad Nawawi. My metric number is A1H A0H73. I'm going to explain measure of position in the SPSS. For electric cases in 2017 is 32.5 and in SPSS also get 32.5 and it was a same result. The quartile 3 result and SPSS was a little have a different around 129.5. Quartile 3, quartile 1 is interquartile range. For electric cases 2018 that the 41.75 and in SPSS also get 41.75 and it was a same result. On the quartile 3 result, that was a little have a different around 89.25. Quartile 3, quartile 1 is interquartile range. Next, I'm going to explain bell shape of SPSS output. The mean of bell shape in 2017 is 108.56, while bell shape in 2018 is 97.69. Two bell shape of SPSS output is same number of cases are skewed to the right. Last but not least, the measure of central tendency in the SPSS. The data of SPSS output of cases L3T 2017 for mean 108.56, median 94 and mode 5. Number of cases are same. The data of SPSS output of cases L3T 2018 for mean 197.69, median 67.50 and mode 4. Number of cases are same.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Maimunah binti Mokhtar. My metric number is A19B1129. Okay, now I will continue with ANOVA analysis. Analysis of variant in bracket ANOVA is a collection of statistical model used to analyze the differences between group means and their associated procedure. Okay, based on regression, the value for p-value from the ANOVA table is more than 0.001. Okay, next is model summary. Okay, from the table, we can conclude that the R-square value for ANOVA is 0.004, which means 0.4% of the variation in electric can be explained by a. Next is coefficient. Okay, this value for regression equation for predicting the dependent variable from the independent variable. Okay, so the equation is 119.438 minus 10.875 in bracket year. Overall, the cases are decreased by year. Okay, now I will continue with confidence interval. For confidence interval by using SPSS. Okay, the calculation is therefore we get 95% for confidence interval for all categories. Alright, and the last one is Pearson correlation. Pearson correlation is measure the direction and degree of linear in bracket straight line relationship between two variables. So R equal negative 0.066. So this value of R show that there is a strong negative relation between electric and air. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
The conclusion is, we use SPSS tool in the assignment to evaluate the data we have obtained. SPSS is a data management software and computer a wide range of statistics. Statistical tasks are easy to perform where they cover common statistics, regression and graph. Lastly, from the assignment, we learned and able to calculate central tendency, variance measurement, and locate measurement along with data distribution form and analyze ANOVA analysis, multiple regression, confidence interval, and Pearson correlation. That's all from us. Thank you.